You are viewing a 2002 Ford F350 regular cab, 8-foot bed, single wheel, 4-wheel drive, and best of all, best motor that Ford ever put out, more like International, the 7.3 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Truck is in a exceptional shape for what it is. You know, a typical truck in this age is usually completely out of the way and running terribly, and maybe 250,000 miles. She's only got 134,000 miles, which if you're looking for a truck, you know she's just getting broken in. She's got a Myers plow, a fairly modern plow frame. It's a unit with the single plug. So it'll fit all your modern Myers plows. Just bring your plow and your controller. The harness is there and the frame is there. Cab's in great shape. I mean, the only thing wrong with the cab is one rocker panel, and that's it. Just a rocker from here to there. That piece right there is about $18 to $28, and a good body man will get the old one off and a new one in a couple of hours. The corners are spotless. Your tires are Firestone Transforce all around. You got a good 60 to 70%, maybe a little more, tread on them. They're not wearing uneven. Front end is nice and tight. I have no complaints about the drivability. I actually love the way it drives. As you can see, the passenger side, it's got no rust. Step rail had a little accident right here and right here, but as you can see, the cab's in perfect shape. Interior is pretty clean for a work truck. It's definitely someone's pride and joy. On the bed, you got that den over there, and some quarter panel rust. But as you can see, the frame is in excellent condition. All your hangers, all your typical spots that usually rot out completely. Your bed rails. This one here is beginning to rust right over here, as well as on the other side, but only on this one. Your undercarriage is in beautiful shape. Your oil pan's not leaking like they all do. So your transmission and your transfer case are nice and dry. All the light metal that typically rusts on these trucks is not rusted. Same goes for the differential. And your spring hangers. Got a cobalt toolbox with the key. Actually, I have 3 keys for the truck. They're all the same. Door and ignition. Chrome bumper's got 1 dent on it over at the end. You got a few dents on the tailgate. And on the driver's side quarter, you got the same quarter rust here. Just typical, but still way below average. I mean, the average truck needs a completely new bed. Not even salvageable. You got aluminum wheels that look really nice. Chrome bumpers. trying to show as much as I can. I know a lot of you guys will be coming out from real far away. I'll be happy to take more pictures. Just shoot me over an email. She's only got 134,000 miles. It's got a CB radio. There's your plow hookup. It's a little 6-pin brake controller. This truck does have air conditioning and an aftermarket Kenwood radio with auxiliary input and a USB. Starts very easily. Starts like this whether it's cold or hot. And like I said in the other video, there's not a hint of hesitation or misfiring or sputtering or even smoke. I could not get it to smoke, no matter how hard I push the throttle. The engine bay is exceptionally clean. They didn't wash her. There's no oil coming out of the turbo. The oil for a diesel. I don't understand how clean how it can be that clean. Usually do an oil change and within seconds of running it, it's black again. Soundproofing's still there. It's not eating away. This truck wasn't worked hard, wasn't run hot. As you can see, the fenders are all original, as well as the radiator support. So you know the truck wasn't in an accident. I'll start her up so you can see how she idles. And like I said, she idles the same now as she would when she's cold. See if I can find the keys. Here we go. She got automatic 4-wheel drive that works. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Any questions? Please don't hesitate to call. I'll be more than happy to send you more pictures. We do work a lot on Powerstroke diesels and bulletproof. So these trucks are no strangers to us. You can call or email. Obviously the best way is to call. Don't respond to emails as fast as I do respond to my phone. This truck is ready for the new owner. If the buyer does wish to have me do the repairs on the quarters and the one rocker, I could give him a quote on that. That's fairly reasonable. But obviously the truck has to be paid for first. All right, good luck bidding.